guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of Cross Street Classics. We are back here today with a pinnacle moment in our 92 Sonoma GT build here. As you can see, we have our cab firmly sitting on our lift. The body cart's underneath it here, and we have our frame back here. Got our frame right here. We got about all we want to do to this done. You can see you got the core support on, radiator in, oil cooler lines. Obviously the engine's in, all the engine accessories are on pretty much. Got the transmission lines over here, ground cables, battery cables. Some of the hoses are sitting there. There's Blake. Hi, Blake. Pretty much everything we want to do we have done to get the cab on. You can see all the new fuel lines, transmission lines, all the brake lines, fuel tanks in, park and brake cables. All the suspension's done here. So been waiting for a while for this, guys. We've had some other stuff going on, so haven't had a whole lot of time to work on this, but pretty excited. So Blake's going to go over and he's going to lift the cab up. And we're going to roll this frame underneath. Probably good there, guy. Now, roll that out. We're going to move the camera over here and get you guys a little better shot of all this exciting action. All right, here we go. Hang on one second, guys. Go ahead. You need to move. What's that? It's on the center. All right, so take it back to you a little bit, guy. Oh, right there. All right, once you go ahead and start letting it down, I'll launch everything up here. Put this on time. Nah, we're on live, man. Okay. This is uncut excitement here.
We'll have this speedy video up on it.
Oh no, all of our fans, all 50 of our fans that are watching this, they want to see this. I was told that I fast forward too much, so
By who?
I don't know. Some guy didn't subscribe to us because I fast forward too much.
Oh.
So, yeah. 1 second here, all right, guys, we had to pause there. We had the cam interrupting us. Sorry to pause the excitement.
All right, one guy didn't like the pause.
Yeah. Didn't pause too much now. All right, go ahead, do down there, guy. Look good here. Hang on, driver. Good. Back here.
I'm looking peachy, bro.
Good.
You got all the stuff's gonna go wrong.
Alright, good.
The lift arm?
Yeah, go ahead down.
I think I'll be fine over here.
Alright. Hang on 1 second.
Nah, it's got to come this way a little bit, guy.
Alright. I gotta put a, I can take a couple of them bolts out, a couple of nuts out there.
Of what?
Here's an exhaust shield I gotta take out for the computer. Them are coming off by hand.
That's looking badass, guy.
Yeah, it's bed down. Yeah. Yeah. Good. You know what, Blake, let it down some more. Let it down, we'll clear the cab mount, and then we'll push the frame forward.
The frame gotta come back.
That's what I meant, sorry, yeah. We'll push, yeah. We'll get down past this point, because you should be all good and clear in the back, right?
I'm not on it, though.
No, no.
Oh, yeah, I'm clear. Right, yeah.
There you
I'm clear.
go. Go ahead down. Go ahead. Go ahead. Frame will go back, right? How's that looking?
I can't see the bolt holes anymore. They're probably pretty close. I'm sitting on a mouse. Frame, you can't tell the frame.
All right. Can you look up there and see if it's we're close? I'll get you a spud bore here.
You know, like,
I'm sorry. Gotta be pretty close, I got.
these are all right. Frame's like, that should be money right there.
All right.
Shoot.
Okay, guys, looking pretty good here. Everything freezing on. Good.
Looks good back here.
All right, let it down. We'll lift the, put everything back under the frame.
Well, that front end's, that's dropping a good bit.
Yeah.
All right.
Now let's push it forward. Great. That's good there. All right, guys, so got the body sitting back on the frame. You can see that lowering kit is definitely shown up here.
That looks good. That looks good.
You know, we're sitting up on the dollies here, but it's a 3 and a 4-inch lowering kit on here.
This is like factory ride height right here.
Yeah, so it's pretty cool. All right, guys, we're gonna get this cab bolted on, buttoned up, and we'll be back with an update here. All right, guys, so We got the cab all bolted up here. We started hooking some things up. We got our brake lines hooked up, got the parking brake cable routed, some wiring, got the ECM wiring routed into the firewall there. Just start hooking things up. I got green painter's tape everywhere just to remind me that needs hooked up. Nothing worse than putting something together and forgetting to hook something up. So so yeah, guys, we're pretty happy with this thing. This thing is sitting pretty low. Probably lower than I expected it to.
Blake likes it.
Blake likes it.
Blake loves it.
I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, it's going to sit a little bit lower too once it settles. Once you get the front clip and the bed on, probably going to drop another inch. But yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. I just hope it doesn't drag anywhere around here. We're going to find out. But anyway, guys, I think it's going to wrap it up for this video here. It's going to be just a one-part video of putting the cab on. It's the first time this cab has been on in months. This is, as we're shooting this here, we're in the middle of February. Actually, first week of February. And we pulled the cab off, I believe, in August. So it's been about 6 months, 5-6 months since this has been apart. So we're heading the right way. And as always, guys, we appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing, asking questions and commenting. We'll see you next time. Thanks.